how to add State Farm to Apple Wallet. Open up the App Store first and you want to search for Pass Cards. You will need this app, so just search for it, and you want to get this one, Card Manager Digital Wallet. Simply install it and then click on Open. It's going to look a little something like this, and you will click on Add Card. From here we will choose Store Card. Now you want to search for the merchant, so we're going to search for State Farm, like so. Click on the first option that pops up, and here you can use your camera to scan your card, or you can choose manual entry and select the type of card which you have with State Farm. I'm going to leave it as a membership card. Fill out your details and click on Done. Afterwards you want to save it. Now click on the card that we just created and you will choose Add to Apple Wallet, then Pass Only, and right here is it going to generate the card itself. Click on Add in the top right, and now if I go into my Apple Wallet, I should have the card right here. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.